How to optimize your Google Shopping campaigns? Find out in this video. Hey guys, Marco here from Wunder Ads, and today I'm going to talk about how you can optimize your Google Shopping campaigns to get more sales for your e-commerce store. Let's dig right into it. I think that Google Shopping campaigns are a great way, a low-hanging fruit, so to speak, to get more sales immediately for your e-commerce store. This tactic should be implemented and tested by each business, because it's a great way to get traffic. And let me tell you a little bit why that is. First of all, here's an example on how it looks like if a customer, if a prospect is looking for that respective product. They will immediately see some information such as the image, the price, seller ratings, and whatnot. One of the big benefits here is that you have a very broad reach. You can reach more potential customers. It increases the awareness of the related products that you're offering. Here's another example. This is when the customer chooses the tab shopping on top. Again, like, what is great on that is that they get so many details about the product right before they even click the ad. In this way, you already have visitors that have a very strong buying intent before they're even clicking the ad. That means your cost per click is lower, your conversion rate, your click-through rate is also better. And in general, it is making sense just for getting a better ROI out of your campaigns. So here are, again, some of the advantages for Google Shopping campaigns for e-commerce stores. Like what I just mentioned, it's the high revenue potential. ROI, the return on investment, is high for the reasons that I just pointed out. You have qualified traffic because you have such a high purchasing intent. Then you can stand out amongst the competitors because your ads will appear when people are specifically looking for your products. And with all the attractive, high quality product images already in this feed, the user sees all the valuable information at one glance, so you can attract the right audience and stand out. Once you set up those campaigns, there are two basic ways in order to optimize them, which I will also dig into. First, to give you an example, to give you an overview, is fixing the errors in the Google Merchant Center and in the Google Ads account, and then optimizing your listing. So how does this look like? Here is a screenshot, an example of your Merchant Center account from Google. And that's basically much the first thing to talk about here, the technical optimization. You will find it in your account under products, and then go to diagnostics. And here are a few issues listed. To make sure that you are getting the most out of the campaigns, you should regularly check into this account and fix those issues. Those most common issues are, for example, if your ads in what way ever violated the ads policy, if you are missing out on the cheat-in, that's the ID that each product is assigned to, that you need to set up in the back end. Unavailable landing pages, missing or incorrect required attributes, like for example the price, missing shipping information, and much more. This would be the first ongoing optimization process. Another thing here to mention is the negative keyword optimization. So with Google Shopping, you're still allowed to negative out keywords. I also would like to give you a few examples to make you understand in which way it makes sense for you. So for example, if there are people, if your store is only selling laptops, for example, then you might want to consider to neg out keywords like desktop computers or buy PC and so on, because you're not selling desktops, you're only selling laptops. So you have a way that your ads are not going to show up when a customer is looking for other things. Another thing for the fashion industry here is if your shop is selling formal shoes for men, then you can negative out words like formal shoes for women, for female, or cheap shoes for men, or like sandals for men, and so on. That's the concept basically on optimizing on your negative keywords. And the primary source to finding out is in your Google Ads account. In the search query report, you can see exactly the terms that the users are looking for, and based on that data, you can make your decisions. Again, it's important to have that going on a regular basis to make sure that you're not spending money on things that you're not even selling, for example, in the worst case. So one of the big things is optimizing then your product listing. You want to make sure that your title, description, the images and so on are all optimized, that your products are also associated with the relevant categories. Yeah, here again, as better your quality are, as higher your click-through rate, as lower is your cost per click, your CPC, and the better is the profitability overall. Keep in mind, for example, a title can only have 150 characters, though only 70 characters will be actually shown once the customer uses Google to look for it. The description is recommended to keep it between 500 to 1000 characters in total. There are a few ways to make your offer even more attractive, and you have this chance with the merchant account to utilize promotions. And common promotions here are, for example, you offer a monetary discount for your items, like an amount off, a percentage off. Is also a way you can offer free gifts to the product, or even things like free shipping. So basically similar promotion ideas that you can utilize for your e-commerce store, you can also utilize them here on Google Shopping campaigns and make your offer even more attractive. Here's a little screenshot as well, where I also highlight those reviews, which are also key components, like social proof in general. When it comes back to landing page optimization, we always recommend to include the reviews on the page, because social proof really shows significant higher conversion rates in general. This here is just another example on how it looks like when you offer, for example, free shipping or a percentage off offer. Another, or even, one of the most important factors when it comes to the optimization here is also the pricing. The price sensitivity of Google Shopping needs to be tested. You have to do some price tests and just see how your overall performance here will change accordingly. Just to give you an example, it has been shown previously when we worked on clients that if you increase your price only by 5%, that could even lead to already 60% of an impression loss compared to the pricing before. So you want to keep that into account and test it along the way. So test it out, decide each week or give yourself a time amount and test those things. Keep experimenting. And that would be it. Again, I would appreciate if you guys are liking this video. You can ask questions in the comments. And if you are watching this on YouTube, please also subscribe, and talk to you soon. Thank you.